Hello guys, today I will show you how to fix the "this site can be reached" error in Chrome on Android. So let's get started. Firstly, open Chrome on your device and then open the settings. And here find the privacy and security tab, go into it and then into delete browsing data and make sure that only these two options are checked in, and then tap delete data. And then use Secure DNS in the same tab, scroll down until you see use Secure DNS, and then here choose another provider, and in the custom tab select it for Open DNS. So the next step, manually select a mobile network. So open Settings app and then go into Connections. And here go to Mobile Networks. Here go to Network Operators and disable Select Automatically toggle. Then wait until everything loads. And then choose the network manually. And then tap OK to confirm. So the last step, use a VPN. Open the Play Store and then go into the Search tab and in the search bar enter VPN. So for example, I use VPN Super Unlimited Proxy, and when installed, open it and then follow the further instructions, grant all of the permissions. And here you can select the server that you need. And when you have done these 4 steps, this should help you. So if you found this video helpful, leave a like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.